Hey everyone, it's January 14 and we have immigration updates that would take effect on January 21, 2025. As we all know, if you're a spouse of an international student, you would only qualify for an open work permit if your spouse is studying a master's degree program of 16 months or over. If your spouse is studying a doctoral or PhD program and some professional level programs. Now, if your spouse is a worker, these are the changes that would take effect. The worker must have a work on a tier 0 or tier 1 category. And in some cases, there would be a tier 2 or tier 3 qualifications. Now, my assumption, and because we don't have the list yet, the list will be available on January 21. My assumption is that there would be a relationship between the category-based selection and the field of studies list of what would be the tier 2 and tier 3 qualifications for the open work permit. And once again, just like other policies, those already existing and those would be extended work permits might not be affected. Once again, this is Kuya Mikmik. Please do follow us for more immigration updates. Thank you.